In part 2, we will show you how to access and utilize the digitized records that you have found. Now that we have landed on the HESIDA head page, let's take a look at some of the useful files and information contained therein. Every digitized entry contains various descriptions of the subject, as well as hyperlinks to downloadable content. Take note of the collection/donor information so that proper citations can be made. If you are looking for general information about the subject, peruse the text headers as you scroll down. Keep in mind, catalog entries are highly interconnected, especially if you are viewing a place like HESIDA Head. We recommend that you select the Related People, Related Objects, and Related Documents tabs. These drop-downs will lead you to downloadable items and additional pertinent information that could be very useful for your research. If you wish to download and utilize available files, the best approach is to locate the file location. Let's do this together with the document HESIDA Head Oregon Postcard with Highway Tunnel. Begin by clicking on the picture or the document name. To view the highest quality version of the downloadable file, click on the blue hyperlink that follows download. From here, you may feel free to zoom in on the image and save the file for your records.